Okay, so first of all, we're going to start by the definition of digital media report. What do we mean by digital media report? Okay, so digital media report is a journalistic type that presents factual information about events, issues, or phenomena through digital platforms. Okay, so it's the same definition as a media report, but since we have added the word digital, we're going to link it with digitalization and technological development. That's why we said it's a journalistic type. It's the same thing as media report. The only difference between them is that digital media report is disseminated through digital platforms. Unlike traditional reports, it is produced and distributed online, allowing content to be updated quickly and supported by digital elements, while maintaining the core principles of accuracy, clarity, and objectivity. So the core principles are the same in both traditional or yes, we can say traditional report and digital report. The only difference is that this kind of reports is produced and distributed online. It combines traditional journalistic principles with the digital capabilities, the digital advancements, we can say. Okay, so what are the key elements, or yes, the key elements of an effective digital media report? Okay, we have 6 main elements: the headline and the subheadline, the lead, the visual elements including charts, pictures. We have also byline and dateline, the body, and at the end the conclusion. We're going to take each element individually. We were going to explore each of them. Okay, starting by the headline. What is the headline? It is the first element that captures the audience's attention. It grabs the attention of the audiences, the readers, or the public who is watching on TV. It must be clear and informative, giving readers an immediate idea of the main topic of the report. In digital media, headlines often incorporate relevant keywords to increase visibility and attract clicks. Okay, so this was for the main headline, the principal headline of the report. It must be captivating, it must be clear and informative. We move now to supporting elements. We have 2 more supporting elements, which are the subheadline, which is a supporting headline, supporting title, providing additional details and context. It guides readers to understand the report's scope. So the subheadline gives much more information, more than the main headline. It makes us in the context. While we have another element, which is the byline. It is the author identification with journalist's profile or affiliation for credibility. Okay, so the byline is just the name of the journalist mentioned before the introduction and after the title. The main title, which is the headline, and the subtitle. After this, we find the byline. We also have dateline and the lead. For the dateline, it specifies when and where the report was produced or the event occurred. And we have the lead, or also called introduction. It is a short introduction that summarizes the content of the report by answering the essential journalistic questions, the main journalistic questions, which are who, what, when, where, why, and while. The strong summary and direct lead encourages the reader to keep reading, which increases the report's readership and engagement. So the more our lead is stronger, it answers the main questions, the more it encourages the readers to keep reading the report. We have the body, which is the main section of the report. For the body, we can say that it is, as we have just said, it is the main section. It presents verified facts with background information for context. It is the longest section of the report. It includes statistics with data supporting claims, references, background information sources. We mention websites that we have used in order to get statistics or some specific information. We have also expert quotes or witnesses, for example, that makes the content of the report stronger and more persuasive. Of course, the report, digital report, it must include visual multimedia elements which are digital format that enable enrich storytelling through images and photographs, embedded videos, infographics, and interactive hyperlinks. At the end, we have the conclusion of the report. It's the summary, recaps key points from the report and reinforces the main ideas. It comes at the end of the report. It focuses on the main information. It summarizes all what was said in the report, and it is, of course, an essential element of an effective report. Okay, so to summarize, we've said that digital media report is similar at traditional report. It keeps the same characteristics plus the digitalization, the nature of being disseminated on digital platforms. It includes some elements such as the headline, the subheadline, the byline, the body, which includes statistics, references, and of course the usage of multimedia, images, hyperlinks in order to enhance engagement. At the end, we find the conclusion of the report. This was everything for today's lecture. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask them, and see you in the next lecture.